Kita boksan ni whenever kita sokongan.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mapule and I'm still at home, so this is a new vlog. I'm still at home in Limpopo. I am so tired. I'm currently at McDonald's. I'm having something to eat. I've done some shopping earlier and now I am going to get something to eat, and it must be hot, like spicy everything. The spicy hot sauce is the best thing ever. They don't have orange juice, which is a bummer, but anyway, I hope you guys are good. The plans for the rest of the day is really just to chill. I'm with my sister. She obviously doesn't want to be in the video, but yeah, I'm so happy, man. I'm happy that you are here, and enjoy. Guys, I just want to show you. I'm having what is this? Spicy Cajun and extra sauce on the side. So I've got extra sauce on the side. This is the meal spicy Cajun chicken. It must be hot, literally hot for nothing. I'm back home and we are literally just gonna sit around. I don't know what this one is doing. She's gonna shy away. I know she's gonna shy away from the camera. She went with me to McDonald's and stuff. She's doing her school stuff. This one is forever eating, literally every 2 minutes. Thank you. Fried chicken gang. Guys, I really don't have my stand and it is the enemy of progress, but I'll move here. In here is a Sasco plastic. It's a bread plastic for bread. I mix my flour. I put a cup of flour and this Norox spice, chicken spice. I put like maybe, you know, most black people in measurements. I put some of it, probably a tablespoon at its max, and then my camera keeps falling. Do not fall, you damn camera. I think we're good now. Too fresh to flop. So I'm going to add my chicken pieces in here. They are boiled. Yes, baby. Oof, where is it? Okay, guys, I'll be back. Let me go be a mom for 2 minutes. I am back from being a mom. Ooh, what's with the drama, Mapule? I just want to show you the chicken pieces as I put them in my plastic, my Sescasem plastic. That's how I'm gonna mix the chicken. It really works. It works better than, I don't know what else you guys put it in, but the girl, try this out. It's so hot. Shake. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Oops. Guys, I cannot confirm or deny whether or not I was sober or drunk in those chicken making videos. Guys, the noise.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had it, Mom. Need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. It is a Wednesday. It is back to school for most kids, and it's back to work for me. I took leave yesterday, so I didn't work. I have to work now, and my child is sick. She gave me the flu, so it's going to be a very long week. Say morning. It's my sick baby. Good. And then tomorrow morning, please just download the entire zip folder. Hi guys, I am down bad. Like, I also haven't been able to vlog because my flu is really bad. Like my nose is blocked and 1, 2, 3, but I'm working. I'm still in Limpopo and the flu does not want to let me go. My daughter's currently sleeping because she's down very bad, but I will try vlog as much as I can and just to show you how much I'm struggling. But enjoy the rest of your day, guys. We're back. I don't know if you saw. It is sweets, a mixture of hulls and more. She wants me to carry her. Let's run, baby, run. Faster. Yo, guys, the flu is still fluing. I just came back from Abba, my friend. I'm gonna take a nap. I bought a lot of hulls trying to make myself feel better. We currently have load shedding, but we have a solar in the house, so I won't tell them at work. I'm just gonna tell them I have load shedding so I can nap. But yeah, I absolutely love your hair, sis. Love it. She's busy with her assignment. The other one that said I don't know what she's doing. That's my mama. Say hello. Just a homework. Good morning, guys. What a morning. I'm having literally the worst of mornings. Not the worst. You know how when nothing is going your way, then it feels, in that moment, it feels like nothing is ever gonna be right. So I woke up early this morning because we have a couple of deadlines. I switched on my computer and our Wi-Fi is down. And I'm like, what? I called the service provider and they're saying the towers in our area is down, so the Wi-Fi is not going to go on anytime soon and they don't know how long it's going to take. They apologize for the inconvenience. I was like, you know, when I'm in Joburg, I know if there's no Wi-Fi, I'll go to Paul or Starbucks or whatever. Okay, hi guys, I'm in Limpopo. I'm like, where am I going to go? Cool. My mom suggests McDonald's. I'm like, oh yes, come to McDonald's. When I come to McDonald's, they say that their Wi-Fi is down because the towers in their area is down. Because I'm currently at McDonald's, I'm on mobile data, so I'm gonna have to be on mobile data the whole day because I can't like tell them at work, jiggy, I don't have Wi-Fi. Like, Kante, where are you all of a sudden? But I'm at McDonald's for the day, guys. I am going to be vlogging from here and working from here. So yep, happy Friday. So guys, I'm still working at McDonald's. I forgot that I made a psychologist appointment for 2 p.m. I don't feel like going anymore. I am sick, like flu-ish sick. But now I'm dreading the appointment to go there and sniffle and sneeze the whole time and just want to be in my bed instead of like being in the therapy session. So I don't know, I'll see if I do decide to go, but it's scheduled for today at 2 p.m. God give me the strength to go, but I'm really not feeling well. Like it's a flu and it's not getting better, so yep. So guys, I've just left McDonald's now. It is 10:30 a.m. I am not done working. My mom called to say that the Wi-Fi is back at home. So I'm going back to the house. I'm gonna stop at the pharmacy now to get some flu medication because your girl is very down bad. Down very bad. Very down bad. You're not you. But I'm down bad, guys. I'm gonna get some flu medication and go back to finish working from the house. Catch you guys when I get to the house. Bye. I just got back. I hope my child is sleeping so that I can actually carry on working, but we will see. What's that about? Back like I never left. Bubbles, you enjoying the outside bath? Yum yum. Say hello, Mama. Okay, I'm going to do her hair. This is our helper. She's asked me to do her hair. I'm going to do Benny and Betty, and then yeah, that's it. Say bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to close this vlog here. I really appreciate you guys for always watching my videos. I really you guys have no idea. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. If you're watching my content for the first time, please remember to subscribe. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have always been subscribed, please remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can know each time I release a video. But thank you guys, I will get better. I will get well soon, and I will catch you guys in the next video.